don't know why I'm so nervous now.
You're nervous?
Yes, I'm scared.
Camera's on.
I'm scared. I know. I'm scared.
Nerves have to go out the window.
I'm letting everyone know I'm really scared about this.
All right.
I feel like this is gonna be the worst ever.
Just think back to the pasture, Kylie.
What? That doesn't
Think
help
back
me.
to the pastures.
I think Trevor kind of likes how he looks right now.
Oh God, look. My name is Trevor. I'm here against my will. I don't know what I did to deserve this. I'm scared. Naked and afraid. I want to look pretty for the ball. I don't want any of y'all talking shit on my name.
James Charles go to balls? Wait, I mean...
I want to look like James Charles.
I'm gonna attempt to do that.
We're gonna make this happen for the sisters out there. Now that's the T.
This is how the entire thing's gonna
This is gonna be better than the first video we ever did.
Oh my god.
Okay, close your eyes.
What?
This, I'm setting your, or
I'm
not.
so scared.
I'm prepping your face. It's literally like water. It's not gonna hurt you.
Oh, but it's in those cuts now.
Oh yeah, when you shave.
It's a little alcohol in there.
Yeah, just a little bit. I don't know if this matches you, but also
Good luck.
It's too white. Wait. Here, open this.
Open what? I can't open my eye.
You can open your eyes when you open this.
Awesome.
Who opens things like this?
Don't even talk to me. I remember watching you open an avocado once. Don't ever talk to me about opening things.
Wait,
dude.
how did I do it that time? I forgot.
Dude, you cut it like a kiwi. You cut it right in like through the circumference of the damn thing.
Wait, what's wrong with that?
That's not right.
Oh, like in the other, yeah.
Yes.
James Charles in that one video where he was singing about, you know, you have to put a foundation in your ears.
I don't legitimately watch him. Like, we have neighbors. I don't know if you know them, but I know them. They talk to me, and they
don't speak English.
Yeah, they speak in Russian to me, and I like and I look at them, and I'm like, yes, I'm Russian, but I don't speak it. And they're like, what? They think I'm a disgrace. They're not wrong, obviously. Hey guys, we have a podcast. Don't forget to be watching that on the regular. I'm not. That was like cold for a second, and like it really caught me off guard. I don't know if I need to be closing my eyes or what.
Again, no. If you need to close them, I'll tell you.
You will actually tell me, because I think you're gonna jab me in the eye one of these times, and you're not gonna tell me.
No, because then I'd have your like eyeball blood on my stuff, and I don't want that.
Can I ask a serious question of you?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you ever rode a mechanical bull?
Answering
I have.
Did you actually while you were there?
I took him to my favorite country bar in Vegas.
You didn't tell me that, Ian. Wow, you were embarrassed, bro.
It was a little embarrassing, and her brother went on it multiple times and was on for like a solid.
But they're from there.
Yeah.
Is her brother a yeehaw peepaw?
Yeah. What?
What did you just
ever
say?
Speak about my brother
Fuck
again.
you, dude.
It goes underneath here.
Oh my god.
What?
This goes like around my eyeball, like in the lid part. Oh fuck.
Yep. It's super fun for you. I promise you, it's not gonna get in your eye though.
It's huge!
That made such a huge difference.
Oh my god, I'm so
Look at the tweezers I got.
They're like fucking violent. They have like a fade to them and shit. Just get the one. You're just gonna grab the one. You're just gonna grab the one little strand.
The one side of your face.
Just one. Yeah, just one side.
All right. You gotta get ready, man. I'm man up. Oh, it's fucking
It
nothing.
didn't come out. That's why.
Oh, of course. What'd you grab?
I grabbed the
Okay,
hair.
I don't want to look like cancer patient or something.
No, it didn't come out.
Either.
Did it come out? There.
That's fine.
There you go.
No, just eat it. I don't know.
You should see it.
Trevor looks weird right now with the light.
Hey, Ian. I need you to be like supportive for like once in your fucking
He's
life.
having an emotional day, okay? It's his big day.
Were you actually a rodeo clown at one point?
Never. No.
I kind of like wouldn't that. Like full makeup, had to get in a barrel to like hide from the.
My best friend was one.
Trevor, come on.
Did you enjoy yourself during that?
Okay, that's it.
No!
All right, Austin. So, who's got the best smile of your cast?
That's kind of an interesting question. I don't know. Like, I only work on when they do like band scenes.
Yeah.
So, I mean, the only people I really hang out with are Victoria and Leon. But I don't know. I guess Victoria.
Who's most likely to mess up the choreography in a scene?
Probably Vino. He's the bassist. He kind of just messes around a lot.
How does he look, guys?
Perfect.
Says he.
31
needs to
minutes.
leave.
This is my palette.
It's like so dirty.
Mmm.
Stop.
We need to find the. You need
Hey.
to look.
Holy fuck.
Wait, I want to see.
Full frontal.
You like look like
His blush is
a
like-
pretty boy.
His blush is offensive. I'm sorry. This is the part you're really gonna hate though.
Okay.
Putting mascara on.
Okay.
Which means, actually,
You're just touching my eyelashes.
Yeah.
Or
just don't like blink. Like, you can keep your eyes closed, just don't blink too hard. You know what I'm talking about?
Mhm.
Otherwise, I'll touch your cheek, and then we're gonna have to do a whole lot of correction.
Okay, so don't blink hard.
Yeah, don't blink hard. Just keep your eyes closed.
Just keep my eyes closed. Okay.
Looks good. It's just
It's just what?
nothing.
What do you mean?
Nothing. It looks good. It's just like
It's just
Nah.
your eyebrows are harder to do. That's the problem.
This is a lot of money worth of stuff. Is this like very normal for women to have? Something similar, more or less, I guess would be. That's crazy.
Camera schedule.
Yeah, something. Well, as far as makeup, that's why my collection's like a lot more impressive because I have a lot more than like the normal. Because most people only wear like a very like simple amount of makeup.
Trevor looks like a girl.
Don't lick your lips.
I just needed to get it done now because I know it's the last time. Lips.
Now
Okay.
dry them off.
We're just gonna give him a minute. Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna spray his face now?
Yeah. You ready?
Is this the ending?
Oh my god! It's just like James Charles.
Just like Trevor in makeup.
Alright, Trevor, come look at the camera.
Feel wet.
That's the point.
Is it really?
Oh my god!
Bruh.
Oh my god, bruh!
Bruh.
Bruh!
You're pretty as fuck.
Dude, you look like James Charles right now. Oh my god, with the cup, dude. Don't make that face. You look like, literally, you look like James Charles. Holy shit, dude. That's a perfect thumbnail right there. Boom.
Trevor is a tree.
Alright, now Trevor needs to see his face. He hasn't seen it yet.
Fuck, I have not looked yet.
Grab that mirror. Just
No. Oh, well, I guess, yeah. That would be fine.
So I just look at it like turn
Yeah.
it towards. Okay.
Wait, well.
I've not looked. I've not looked. I've not looked.
alright, big reveal.
Oh my good lord in wow. I'm sorry, Dad. Holy lord. And you did cover up my disgusting fucking acne. Thank you so much.
Dude, whoa. Turn it more so like you're looking more into the light.
Contour's on point, Kylie.
Thank you.
I think Trevor kind of likes how he looks right now.
Not a bad look.
Well, I like my jawline. That's about it. But yeah.
Damn.
If you were to become a
fuck is this?
I can use the tweezers again.
No. Oh my lord. Wow.
oh wow.
Damn, that's pretty funny. Alright, dude, do an outro for everybody as James Charles.
All right, sisters. Thank you so much for watching. It's been amazing. I'm so lucky to have had the opportunity to have Kylie do my makeup. Thank you, Kylie.
You're welcome.
Now that's the tea. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and we'll see you in the next video or podcast. Come to our podcast every weekend. Bye.
Chill out, you're fine.